another Mali photography meetup from Lancaster, and today we're at Plover Scar. So we've landed, we're here, we're at Plover Scar for a meetup. I know I've done a video here with my friend Mikey, but today I thought it's a cracking place to come. We've got the weather. Stephen Bennett's here. Quite a few people. Corbett, Mr. Isherwood, Mikey, Mike, Liam, Dave Green. I think we've just seen an Owen John. It's not rare around these parts. So we're going to have a walk. Tide's coming in. Timing couldn't be better. Oh, Jackie, don't forget Jackie poo bags. There you go. Right, so Steve's leaving us because he's got to get down to the Pro Photo exhibition. And we're going to head off over to the Abbey. Sithee. I've just spoke to a gentleman, an oldish chap. Didn't know his name or nothing. He's just walking past us. Could have just walked past us. I thought, no, I'm going to say hello. He said, oh, I've just been to the Abbey. He maintains the Abbey, and there is an exhibition, if you like, an open day next week. And he's gone up and he's put all labels, flags and history and information. And he used to tend the Lighthouse when he was 12. Well, he was about, I don't think he was shy of 80. He looked very good for his age. So Robert, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to me and tell us a bit of history about your family. Just over there's a lookout point. He said where his family have fished this estuary for 200 years. Just that moment for stop and talk to him. So thank you, Robert. That was just wonderful information. And I got a cheeky portrait of him. I'll stick it up now. Right. And it's a fantastic location. So we're going to head over to the Abbey. We've left a few. I've had to wait behind. I didn't want to rush off. I just wanted to see if there's any more, but I think we've got about 10 people here today, which again is a wonderful achievement. I'm so pleased with how things are going. The meetups are just getting, you know, they're getting known, so thank you. That's down to everyone that who comes. It means the world. Next year things are going to change. We're going to have some special meetups. Scotland, Devon, Dorset. Might even, you know, I'm hoping we can get to Ireland and do something over there with my friend Darren Spoonley. How you doing, Darren? I'll see you soon, cocker. Well, the Abbey is guarded by a fellow vlogger who we know, Darren Knight. This Abbey's guarded by his friends, the Bullock. I think me and Mike's going to try and risk it. So we're going to walk over to this Abbey. I'm saying, man, I'm forcing his hand here. I think you've already been over, haven't you? Yeah. I am a bit worried about these bulls, but let's head over. I'll put it on. If I get chased, it'll be comedy gold. I've escaped the bulls. Quite happy over there. Just got a shot of this. Bracketed quick, handheld with the cross and the sun. I think it could work out quite well. This is the old Abbey at Plover Scar anyway, and yeah, it's pretty good. We're all getting some shots. The tide's rattled in. It's so quick. Once it gets to a level, it just and you're up. It's up in your face. So. The highest tide, the high point of the tide, I think I said before, is 7. So be careful if you come here. Be aware of your surroundings, be aware of the tide, and just be careful. Always make sure you've got a view all around you, and you'll be all right. Everyone's come up on the side banking now. I've come over to this Abbey, and I think I'm going to have a wee break. Something to drink, something to eat. So you might not hear from me for at least 2 hours, knowing me. So far so good. Not a bull has bothered me. But then I walk round the corner and I'm faced with, I'm a little bit concerned. I'm going to go this way, slowly. He don't look happy. He's trying to get in the Abbey. He's not going to let me go near the door. Oh, he's starting to scrape his feet. Yeah. Moving on. New t-shirt for everyone. I survived the bulls at Cocker Sands Abbey. Available down below. It's happening. We're all feeling it's happening. Sunset, high cloud, 10 to 8. You've only got another hour and a half wait. Don't fret. Well, nearly 2 hours. Oh, I can't beat it. The smell of fresh cow shit rolled on a dog. No, the things we do for a shot, eh? Mix with us again! Mix with us, eh?
Beautiful, this.
Good, that's 2 meetings back to back. I'm going to have to get him a loyalty card. I'm just going to say a bit to camera here now. We've got Richard. You know your name's gone. Brendan. Hey. Brendan and Richard.
All right.
And a few onlookers. Mikey there. Got Liam there. Mickey's back. He's come for more bother. He's tucking into something there. What we on, Rich? What we on, Mickey?
Ham and cheese. Ham and cheese.
Have I not go out? No. Tell you what.
Got a bit with cheese on the way up on the motorway.
All I've got's dry roasted peanuts and a bottle of water. That's it. What am I like? So we're in for it. It's happening. It's happening! It's happening! We've got high cloud, although it is going. It's going.
Yeah, the crystal clear.
We're losing a bit, and we need to keep that cloud. I can see smoke. It's not smoke, geez. I thought there was smoke over Ayrsham then. I was going to say run, but it won't make much difference really. It'd be like being in a microwave set to 5 minutes. We've no chance, have we, if that goes? You see it there, over there. So we've had a good turnout again, and thank you very much for coming along, because everyone, it's wonderful to see, and hopefully my request for a fantastic sunset is about to happen. Look at the light, absolutely beautiful. Spawn decking. These chaps here getting some superb shots. Mikey's done a 3.5 hour exposure. It's like glass. Look at the light. Look at that. Very, very lucky again. And it's cascading across the land. Right, I'm going to have to stop talking because it's quicker. It's happening! It is! It's happening! It's happening! But I'm going to have to be quick, because if I don't, it won't happen. In other words, shutter shall not be pressed. It's turning to glass. You can see it coming in there. The more it recedes, the flatter, the calmer it gets. It's just so meditative. There's a word. Meditative for you. No, it's a real word. Oh, aye. So peaceful. Apart from all these lot gibbering on. Oh, chicken's ready. There she goes. Nice. We've all gone. We're beyond moist. There's that much water out wellies now. We're dripping with this. It's not stopping. It is so spawn decking. There's no deck, it's just spawn. Oh, it's not stopped. It's continued. What we're on now? It's been like this now for 25 minutes, and we're all shooting different styles, different aspects of long exposure, short exposure. I'm F4 at around about, let's have a look. I'm 70mm F4 shooting at 1/5 of a second and getting these like concentric rings of waves just pushing forward towards you. It's so hypnotic. With this colour is becoming just, it's ridiculous. And all the cameras picking it up because it's so bright now on the horizon, and the purple is deeper than the band that is Deep Purple. You don't, you can hear it, can't you? You know, you can hear them playing. I can hear the Hammond of John Lord just rasping away on the horizon. God bless his soul, the greatest Hammond player that's ever graced the earth. On that note, Sithee.